Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to conduct a cyber risk assessment. In this video, we'll walk through the essential steps needed to evaluate and mitigate risks in your digital environment. First, let's start by identifying the assets. These could be anything from data, hardware, and software to intellectual property and personal information. Knowing what you need to protect is the first step in any cybersecurity strategy. Next, we need to identify the threats. These can range from hackers and malware to insider threats and accidental data leaks. Understanding the potential threats will help us tailor our cybersecurity measures effectively. Now, let's identify vulnerabilities. These are weaknesses in your system that could be exploited by threats. Regularly assessing your infrastructure and applications for vulnerabilities is crucial for strengthening your cybersecurity defenses. Now, let's move on to analyzing the effectiveness of our controls. It's crucial to understand not just what controls are in place, but how well they are performing. Are they reducing risk to an acceptable level? It's time to assess this. Next, we need to determine the likelihood of potential incidents. This involves understanding the probability of threats exploiting vulnerabilities despite the controls we've analyzed. How likely is it that a cybersecurity incident will occur? This step is essential for prioritizing risks effectively. Now, let's determine the impact of incidents. It's crucial to understand not just the likelihood, but also how severe the consequences could be. This step involves considering both the immediate and long-term effects on your organization. Moving on, we need to calculate the risk. This is done by combining the data we have on the likelihood of an incident occurring with the potential impact we've just assessed. This calculation helps in understanding the level of risk in quantifiable terms. Next, we prioritize the risks and implement controls. It's essential to tackle the highest risks first, deploying appropriate measures to mitigate them. This strategic approach ensures we use our resources effectively and enhance our security posture. Finally, we must review and monitor. Cybersecurity is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. Regular reviews and updates to the risk assessment ensure that we stay ahead of potential threats and adapt to any changes in our business environment or threat landscape.